And Brennan alongside me now, and it was socked in with fog in parts of our area this morning.
Yeah,
it still is.
Very true. I just started driving through it this morning, and I mentioned earlier it looked like alphabet soup. And you said the fact that I saw letters in the air might
that was first grade.
be cause for a CAT scan. But other than that,
you need some help there.
Let's take a look at the fog map. It's showing very reduced visibility, especially Hillsborough, Beaverton, and especially as we head south in the Willamette Valley, a 1/4 mile of visibility in Salem. So be prepared for very low visibility, especially in Hillsborough, where you're probably down to just about 50 feet of visibility in some areas or so, according to these instruments. You can see the fog over the water right now, 38 degrees currently, so at least we're not worried about any freezing fog west of the Cascades. 23 degrees, no fog up at Timberline. Look at that. I'm reminded of some graham cracker houses I tried to make as a kid. They never looked quite that good with the icing. You guys know what I'm trying to say. 43 degrees at Cannon Beach right now, nice and calm. Definitely cloudy, but totally dry. We just have a few sprinkles in the Washington coast, and that's about it. And that should be drying up very quickly this morning. 36 in Vancouver, 37 in Beaverton right now. We're in the mid to upper 30s for the western valleys, and across the state, it's looking like 20s in central and eastern Oregon, 35 in Pendleton, 32 for the Dalles. A high wind watch goes into effect. It's in effect now, but the high winds will probably hit tomorrow afternoon as a cold front starts moving in tomorrow afternoon. And we have a winter storm watch for the Washington Cascades up above 4,000 feet. They'll be getting heavy snow. Like I said, a couple sprinkles for the Washington coast, and that's about it. We're totally dry all day today, all morning tomorrow, and then we start to see this cold front come in. So we got a beautiful weekend before that cold front arrives. It arrives around 5 or 6 o'clock, possibly in the Portland area. Look at all these yellows and oranges. That's looking pretty heavy. It'll be a soaking rain, especially Sunday night, but it moves out pretty fast. As you can see from our clock there, once we start getting into the overnight hours of Monday, a few showers may linger, and Monday looks like a pretty light rain day. We'll have some scattered showers here and there. 51 degrees at the coast today with that high wind watch, where the winds go a bit higher tomorrow. I think gusting up to 60 in the beaches, so a pretty low-end high wind event as far as the coast is concerned. They're used to very windy weather this time of year. 41 degrees at pass level on Mount Hood, partly sunny skies with the freezing level 4,000 feet. That will be rising up to about 5,500 feet later in the day, and we'll see for Thanksgiving, if you're traveling Thanksgiving weekend, totally good travel over the passes with the snow level high up in the Cascades. 48 degrees for the western valleys today. We'll hit 50 in Portland. We'll have a dry first half or more of the day Sunday before that rain comes in, and then the weather gets warm. We'll be wet Tuesday and Wednesday, but we'll be close to 60. And for Thanksgiving, showers, sun breaks, and mild temperatures.